Hello everyone, thank you for being here. This is my first video and I'd like to show you some roads and traffics and cars of Japan. And I live in Japan in Aichi prefecture. Its capital is Nagoya. I think you've heard of Tokyo or Yokohama or Osaka or Fukuoka, Okinawa. So this is Nagoya, a very industrialized and very underrated city in Japan, I think. And since I'm not a native English speaker, so my English is poor, so please bear with me. So I'm here in Nagoya. It is quite a big city, but around here it is not so urban. I'm driving on a very narrow road, and on my left side there are major railroads heading to northeast of Nagoya, and I'm going to a little wider road. As you see, this is left-hand traffic here, and this car is right-hand drive. This car has a steering wheel on the right side. It's like UK or India or Thailand or Australia. And almost Japanese car for its domestic use have its turn signal switch on the right side and its wiper switch on its left side. So for the Japanese car, I have to turn on the signal with my right hand and the wiper with my left hand. But this car is an imported one, so the turn signal lever is on its left side and the wiper is on the right side. And one more interesting thing is there are some car factories in the UK of Japan's maker, like Toyota and Honda. By the way, for your information, one of the factory of Honda in the UK will be closed on 2020. Anyway, the cars made in UK, they have its turn signal lever on its left hand and its wiper switch is on its right side. And at this point, very important the principle of the traffic rule is we cannot do turn on red. It means we have to stop on the red light signal, so we cannot turn left or turn right on the red light. And I have to apologize for your inconvenience with this big black dot on my speedometer. In the night, they usually do speeding, but I don't want to show you any violations in this video clip. It is raining a little. On my right side, there is an overpass. It is elevated highway, and there are some buses. It looks like a train. Actually, it's a bus, not a train, but they have guided wheels and they run like the train. I'll explain it later. The speed limit is 50 kilometers per hour, but sometimes it is 40. on my left side, this parking lot, it is a second-hand car dealer. This is the station for that railroad guided bus, and the drivers, they have to use both driver's license and a special train car driver's license. They have to use both, and it is costly. I'm sorry, the camera is shaking. You see in front of me, it is with the yellow number plate. This is the Japanese super compact car, and its engine is 658 cubic centimeter. In other words, it is 0.66 liter with a 3-cylinder engine. It's very weak. Thank you for watching my peaceful driving and subscribe please.